Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Sharan here. I hope you had a great day today on a expiry day. I had a decent day today, not really great, but not very bad also. Some levels acted for us, some levels didn't act. So anyway, that's a part of the game. So we will see what has happened today, and we'll also plan out for the Friday what is might happen, what is visible on the charts today. All right. First of all, what happened today? Price straight away gapped up, right? And it tried to push on top till 17,430 levels, at which it did not try to go upside at all. It tried many times. If you see here, I'm going to put it in 15 minutes and show you. It tried to go up on this level couple of times, right? If you see here, I'm going to bring this down. 1, 2, 3 times it tried to come here and go up. It did not. Now let's understand why it did not happen. We had expected till this level, somewhere around 17,400, it went upside. That's okay. It didn't go up because if you see here, this was the previous resistance. See here, right? The previous support or the neckline, right? If I put it in daily time frame, you will get a better idea. Let me do it here. 1 second. Yeah. See here, this is the neckline that was being formed here, right? This was the neckline that this time it took a resistance. Now, if it sustains above this level of 17,435, we can get to see further movement on the upper side. Otherwise, we will plan out how we can take a trade for tomorrow. All right. Now, let's go into a smaller time frame and see if there is anything else we have missed out. No, we have not missed out anything. Yeah. So let's go into a shorter time frame. All right. Now, if you see, this is the levels that we have already marked. All right. Now, how do we take a trade here? Right. If you see, it has become a zone. Right now, it is in a zone. This is a zone 1, 2 zone. There is some support here which might come into force. There is again this particular zone where it is taking resistance. Right. This is the resistance. This is resistance. Might be there is a chance, high chance that the price will reverse here. I'm not saying it will. If it reverses, then we might get to see a upside momentum for a short term. Now, if that doesn't happen, if there is a closing, right? If there is a closing below this level, right? Which is at 17,291 levels, 17,290, 270 levels. Yeah. So we might get to see around 17,230 to 17,200 levels if there is some kind of momentum, right? So this will be our no trading zone for us. I'm going to mark this as no trading zone. This area completely is a no trading zone for us. If the price opens here, we will see how it reacts at this support level. If it takes, great. If it doesn't take, then we might have to look for a shorting opportunity for these levels 1 and 2 levels. Right? These are level around 17,230 and 17,200. Now, what if Sharan, the price opens here, takes a support and hovers here and finally crosses this level of 17,350? Then we might get to see at least today's high or somewhere around 17,400 levels in the session tomorrow. Now, what if Sharan, the price opens gap up, right? If it opens here near the gap up, near this particular level of 435, 17,435, right? We might get to see that there will be a small momentum side because there is a huge resistance that we saw today also before it breaks out. Once it breaks out, we will like to take a trade till 17,500, and based on your other indicators, we will see how much we can take further. But at least 50 points from here on top, we would like to see it going, right? This is one. If it straight away opens above 17,430 levels, right? If it opens here in this level, just like how we saw today, we might get to see that there will be a small momentum downside before either in this way direction, right? These are our probabilities that can happen tomorrow, right? Now, what if Sharan, there is a gap down? If there is a gap down below 17,270, we might straight away look forward to 17,200 levels in the coming session, right? And if there is anything that is opening below this level, 17,200 levels, I will not take any trade. I will wait for some kind of clarity in the market, then only take a decision. This is about Nifty. We'll also have a look at Banknifty, what has happened. We'll also mark there. 1 second, straight, let's go there, right? On a daily basis, if you see, Oh, there is an interesting candle actually formed on Bank Nifty, right? And that is, what is this candle? This is a shooting star, right? This is a shooting star. So shooting star का मतलब क्या होता है कि यहाँ पे resistance है, right? Here on this top there is a lot of resistance. We'll just put this here, right? This is a resistance that we have here, right? Now, if the price, is there anything else that we need to mark? No, I think this is okay, right? We'll see in a shorter time frame. Is there anything? Yes, no. If suppose the price tomorrow, right, opens here and breaks this level of today's 39,230 levels, we might get to see 38,800 levels, right? These will be our levels for tomorrow, right? Similarly, if the price opens in this zone, then you can see from some kind of support till before this levels are taken out, right? We will go long very aggressively only when this price of 39,624 is taken out tomorrow. If it doesn't happen, we'll be very less aggressive in the market. If there is a huge gap down here and here something, we'll not take any trade, because we will wait and see how the markets react and then take a decision, right? Now if it gaps down also, there will be small inclination upwards and then starts moving on a downside, right? This is what is happening in Bank Nifty. We'll look into a 15 minutes time frame also. Yes, there is nothing much we can discuss here. Clear forward. This is a zone, we will wait. If it breaks either side, we take a trade, right? This is somewhere where we'll might get to see some support provided markets reverse. If it doesn't, then we will get to see 38,800 levels, right? These are our targets. Now please remember, since there is a shooting star, this zone is a very strong resistance zone, so it takes really strong buyers to break it. And if it breaks this level of 39,620 or 630, we should look forward to adding on a higher positions, because resistance of a very strong candle is taken out, right? This will be my plan for Bank Nifty. I usually don't trade in Bank Nifty, I trade only in Nifty, but anyway, this is how this things will work for us, right? Let's call it a day and see you on Sunday. All right, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.